As children, we really loved watching Tiana make her famous beignets. Now you can make it in your own kitchen with this Princess and the Frog beignets recipe, brought to you by recipes.net. With the buttermilk in a small bowl, add the active dry yeast and granulated sugar. Whisk to combine, then set aside to bloom for 10 to 15 minutes. In a large mixing bowl, add the egg, unsalted butter, evaporated milk, heavy cream, and salt. Whisk to combine. In another mixing bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, rye flour, and ground nutmeg. Add in the granulated sugar, then mix to combine. Set aside. Then, add the yeast mixture into the egg mixture and whisk to combine. Add half of the flour mixture. Mix to combine, then add in the remaining flour mixture. Mix to combine using your hands. Dust the working area with all-purpose flour, then knead the dough for roughly 5 to 8 minutes. Transfer into an oiled bowl, cover with a clean cloth, and let it rest for an hour or more until it has doubled in size. Dust the working area once more with all-purpose flour. Place the beignet dough and roll out into 1/4 inch thick rectangle. Cut into roughly 2 by 3 inch rectangles, then fry in vegetable oil. Heat and maintain at 370 degrees Fahrenheit and gently place the beignets into the hot oil. Flip and fry until golden brown, then drain onto a plate lined with paper towels. Serve with honey and powdered sugar. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.